Hi, I'm Zoe. Today we will be learning about turning. This will be the second episode in our class. So first of all, you need to know that there are three different types of turns. There is a spin turn, where one wheel goes forward and the other wheel goes backwards. And it's good for small spaces, but it's kind of inaccurate. There's also the pivot turn, where one wheel is stationary while the other wheel moves. It's more accurate than the spin turn, but it's too big for some spaces. And the smooth turn is where both wheels move, but one moves at a faster speed than the other one. The problem with it is that it takes up a large amount of space and more time, but it technically gets to the destination faster because it's faster than going forward, turning, and then moving forward. To do a spin turn with the move tank block, one wheel should have positive power and the other wheel should have negative power. To do a pivot turn, one wheel should have no power while the other wheel has power. And to do a smooth turn, one wheel should go faster than the other, meaning one has more power than the other. To do a spin turn with smooth steering, the steering right here should be at 100. To do a pivot turn, the steering should be at 50, and to do a smooth turn, it should be from 1 through 49, depending on how sharp you want your turn to be. Try out some turns yourself. Use all three types of turns to turn your robot 90 degrees. Note that the amount of degrees, seconds, or rotations will change depending on how big your wheels are. Your first lab is to make a robot run a home run. Have it go forward, turn 90 degrees, go forward, turn 90 degrees, go forward, turn 90 degrees, and go forward back again to home plate. Think about what type of turns you should use. To do this lab, first we need to go forward. Then we need our robot to turn left. Because I think a pivot turn works best for this, I'm going to use -50 as my steering. Then we need to move straight again, and then turn left again. Then move straight again, then turn left again, and then finally we move straight and get to home. The second lab is similar to our moving forward lab, but instead we go forward and then do a 180-degree turn and then go forward back to the first line. Try it out yourself. For this lab, we first need to move from the first line to the second line. Then we need to do a 180-degree turn. I think a spin turn works best for this, so I'm going to set the steering to 100. We then need to move back to the first line so we can go forward for one rotation. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time we're going to be learning about loops. Bye!